Hello friends, welcome back in this session. So in this session we are going to understand how we can pass a parameter from one job to another job, and this is the one of the core requirement while you are working with the multiple jobs. So in this session we will understand how we can pass a parameter value from one job to another job. Let's see what things are covered in our steps. So we will going to start our Jenkins, then set up the parameterized job, and we required the plugins here. That's a parameterized trigger, the plugin name. So this plugin we will install, and then we'll configure the plugin parameter here with the upstream job, and at last we will run our upstream project, and which will pass the variables from one job to another job. So let's see how we can do in the practical. So let's move to the Jenkins. So here I'm at the Jenkins. We have created one tutorial previously that basically works with the parameterized job. Let me show you the tutorials created under the channel. So this is our channel, and in the Jenkins pipeline you will find the this parameterized video tutorials. So basically this is basically it's giving that, but this is basically how we can pass the parameterize in Jenkins variable. So you can find this for the parameterize your job, and here we will completely work with the one parameterized job to the another parameterized. So these my jobs which we have created initially, and basically this how this works. We have passed the parameter here as a parameter. This project is parameterized. Just we have to enable. For this we don't require any plugins. So here we have created the two parameter. One is the environment, that's the env, and here we have given the three option. So the first is the default one, so Dave is the default one here. The second is the branch name, and here branch name we have passed the master. So here we can see we have printed the two value, that's a uh, ANV and the branch name. Let me save this one. Let me show you how this is working. So I'm just passing the default one, and this will print the my dev as a environment variable and the master is a branch. Now how we can configure parameter job? For that we require the plugins. For that we have to go to the manage Jenkins. In the manage Jenkins, let's go to the manage plugin. So in plugin we have to find a parameterize plugin. So I have already installed, but I'm just showing you how which parameterized plugin is required. So this is the plugin name, parameterized trigger plugin. This plugin we have to install, and post installation you will find the options to configure parameter job one to the another. So this is the plugin installation section. Let's go back. Okay, so now I'm creating the one new job here. So I'm just giving the name is the parameter job upstream project, and taking the freestyle project, creating here. Okay, so now my job is created. Now how we can pass the parameterized job? So I'm just adding the action under the post build action, and here you will find the trigger parameterized job on another project. So once this job is done, you want to trigger the next job with the variable pass in this specific job to the another job. So which job you want to trigger? So here we will give the parameterized job. Okay, when you want to trigger this build, so it is the stable, unstable, or any. So we just giving the stable, and what parameter you want to pass. So if you want to create new parameter, that also you can create here, and if you want to use the existing predefined parameter, that also you can take. So here we have used the env as an environment. So by default the environment value is the dev. Here I'm passing the prod. Second is the branch name. So by default branch name value is the master. I'm creating here the release branch. Okay, so these two variable we have passed here. Let me save this project. Let me save again. Okay, and let me open the first job here. Okay, so this is our upstream project. Let me trigger this one. So this is triggered, and with this complete trigger it will trigger the job here also. Okay, so fifth number job is trigger here, and now you can see what is print here. So it is printed here the prod as a variable which we have passed, and it is printed here the branch name is the release. So this way you can pass the variable use in a job 1. Even you can take the output of the variable in the job 1 to the job 2.